The new iPadOS 26 is one of the biggest productivity upgrades in years. But could it make the iPad good enough to replace your MacBook? Let's find out. You can now resize, move, and snap app windows freely, complete with Mac-style traffic light controls and expose swipe overview. With the new Preview app, you can mark PDFs with Apple Pencil instantly. And with Apple Intelligence, enjoy live translation, Genmoji generation, and on-device AI tools right in Messages and FaceTime. Are there still gaps? Yes. Some Pro apps only exist on Mac, and external monitor behavior in beta has been flaky for some users. For power workflows like VPN-certified enterprise tools or heavyweight video editing, macOS still leads. So, for casual productivity, illustration, PDF workflows, and creative AI tools, iPadOS 26 lets your iPad feel Mac-like. But if you rely on full desktop apps or heavy multitasking, a MacBook still has the edge. Let me know in the comments. Are you switching?